Weight and muscle gain. A person's genetic makeup plays a major role in determining their build, which is why it is challenging for someone who is naturally slender to gain weight. Weight exercise and increased caloric intake can modify the human body to a limited degree. It might be just as difficult to gain or lose weight again. Many of the same fundamental guidelines apply to both gaining and reducing weight when done in a wise, healthful manner. It is crucial to speak with your physician to ensure that the weight gain strategies you are doing are suitable for you and healthful. Causes of not gaining weight. Several typical explanations for why an individual can struggle to put on weight include hereditary, inadequate eating, living a physically demanding lifestyle or overdoing it at work. Please be aware that some people are overly thin due to major medical illnesses, eating disorders, disabilities, or substance addiction. This information sheet does not address any of these issues. See your physician before attempting to put on weight. Consult your physician before beginning any weight gain regimen. Your physician can provide you with an examination to rule out the potential that an underlying medical issue, such as hyperthyroidism, is the reason for your thinness. Recommend a weight that is appropriate for your height and build. Evaluate your food and exercise regimen. Offer advice on dietary and lifestyle modifications that may promote weight gain, and, if needed, connect you to additional experts, such as a nutritionist. Eat more to gain weight, but prioritize quality over quantity. When energy, kilojoules, is taken in less than it is expended, underweight usually results. Put otherwise, eating more food is necessary for weight increase. Making every kilojoule as nutrient-rich as possible is the key to weight growth that is healthful. It is unsuccessful to increase bone strength, muscle mass, or tissue repair following surgery by consuming more empty-calorie foods like chips and soft drinks. Proposals consist of: calculate your average daily calorie intake by using a kilojoule counter book. It might not be as much as you believe. Have 3 healthy meals a day. If possible, serve yourself somewhat larger portions. 5 to 6 meals a day should suffice if your hunger is small. Fluids should be consumed before and after meals, not during them. This makes more space for eating. Increasing your daily carbohydrate intake is necessary for weight gain that is sustainable. Steer clear of low-carb diets. Consuming large amounts of protein from food won't accelerate muscle growth and will strain your body excessively, particularly your kidneys. Avert diets heavy in protein. Fruit, yogurt, muffins, rice pudding, low-fat custard, milkshakes, or liquid meal supplements can all be considered nutritious snacks. Steer clear of high-fat junk meals. Opt instead for wholesome, high-fat foods like almonds or avocado. Add some concentrated calories to your normal foods, such as grated cheese. Spread a whole grain muffin with almond or peanut butter. Instead of using water to prepare hot cereal or oatmeal, use milk. Once cooked, stir in honey, almonds, dried fruits, or powdered milk. Add almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, whole olives, and olive oil, healthy oils, to salads as garnish. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dry milk powder to soups, casseroles, mashed potatoes, and liquid milk to make them more flavorful. Resistance exercise to gain muscle. Strength training encourages the growth of muscles. Using resistance bands, weight machines, free weights, or your own body weight are a few examples of resistance training. Among the ideas are: to allow your muscles to heal, limit your weekly training to 2 or 3 sessions. Recall that muscular growth happens during recovery if you find yourself wanting to work out more frequently. Select complex exercises, such as the bench press and squat, that target several major muscular groups. Instead of doing lengthy, languid workouts, make them brief and intense. Spending time or money on pills, powders, and other things that promise to build muscle is a waste of money. There is no scientific proof for these assertions. Consult a professional. You can get assistance from a physiotherapist, personal trainer, exercise physiologist, or gym teacher to ensure that you are performing each exercise correctly. You can lower your chance of injury and maximize your gains with sound counsel. Changing one's lifestyle to gain weight. Proposals consist of: Have food ready even if you're not hungry. Set a timer to serve as a constant reminder to eat every 2 hours. Make these extra eating periods as enticing as you can. For instance, keep your favorite snack foods stocked in the refrigerator and cabinet. To aid in the development of new muscle, consume modest portions of protein-rich foods both before and after each resistance training session. Acknowledge that consuming more food may result in gas or bloating. Expect to put on a few pounds as well. Gaining more muscular mass would inevitably result in an increase in body fat. Monitor your weight gain development. Keeping track of your advancement increases motivation. Among the ideas are: to track your calorie intake and training regimen, keep a journal. Remain dependable. You must increase your daily food consumption in order to gain weight. Making a menu in writing could be helpful. Verify that your objectives are doable. For instance, it can take a year to gain a few kilograms more. It takes time to acquire lean body weight, so don't be discouraged by modest gains. Consult your physician frequently to evaluate your progress. Things to keep in mind. It takes months and years to gain lean body weight as opposed to days and weeks. Before beginning any weight gain regimen, see your physician. You need to eat more and promote muscle growth in order to gain weight. Spending time or money on pills, powders, and other things that promise to build muscle is a waste of money.